Hello everyone, I'm Xuefeng with Chongqing University. It's my pleasure to introduce our work. The title of our work is a bell-inspired piezoelectric kinetic energy harvester. Inspired by handbells, we had developed a piezoelectric vibration energy harvester with 4 bimorphs, which can be used to scavenge low-frequency, broadband, multidimensional, and low-level vibrations. In this work, we found that by using 6 bimorphs, the two-dimensional vibration energy harvesting performance can be greatly improved. In addition, the wind energy harvesting performance was tested for the first time. With the increase of the wind speed, the transverse vibration, the rotation, and the back and forth vibration occurred respectively. The conclusion is that this type of harvester can be used to scavenge vibrations and winds. The two-dimensional performance can be improved by using more bimorphs. In the future, the performance can be further improved by optimizing the shape of the black body. Thank you.